Welcome to our Educational Insights. Our topic today is our mid-year outlook. My name is Adam Vansant, here with my colleague Sonja McGittigan, and wanted to go over a couple topics that you can take care of earlier rather than later for year-end solutions. So the first thing I want to talk about is RMDs. That is what is called your required minimum distribution. Not everybody has these, but there is some age restraints on this, as well as beneficiary IRAs having to take these. And, with rules and regulations ever changing, that's why it's so important to keep up with our correspondence that we send out, such as our weekly vlogs. But I want to give Sonja the opportunity to go over RMDs and how to take them.
Thank you, Adam. So we can easily set up future standing dates to process your RMD. We calculate those based on your end of year balance from the prior year. So that is already ready to go. You don't have to worry about that amount. We can figure it out for you. We also can set up a monthly or a quarterly distribution that we can send it straight to your bank account through ACH. Another option for your RMD, if you don't necessarily need the distribution, is that we can journal those dollars of your RMD to your LPL non-retirement account. There is still a tax withholding for that, but it will stay here and continue to be invested. The last option for you to meet your 2025 RMD is you can gift it as a QCD, which is a qualified charitable distribution. And we can send that check directly to the charitable organization that you choose.
Thank you, Sonja. And we also have a way to do what's called systematic contributions. And where that can come into play is, let's say that you do have an IRA account and you are eligible to make those contributions into your account. A lot of people will wait till the end of the year, make a large lump sum, but you can actually do that on a periodic basis. Whether that's twice a month, monthly, quarterly, annually, we have the flexibility to set that up however you need. That brings me to the next thing that I want to talk about is beneficiaries. It's really important on accounts that we have beneficiaries. Sometimes if it's not written in the will or in the estate, we can add what's called a TOD, a transfer on death, on an individual account. And you can update your beneficiaries on your IRA accounts. Now, one thing that's important on this is that will supersede any wills or estates that are written. So that's another reason that these financial blueprints that we create are so important for our clients. And Sonja, I know you had a couple ways to make that very easy for people to update.
So making sure that your beneficiaries are up to date, it's really, really important, just so you keep your peace of mind. And we can process any updates or changes with just simple electronic signatures through Adobe Sign that can be sent straight to your inbox of your email. And while we're on the topic of keeping all of your items up to date, please reach out to us if you need to update your mailing address, your home address, your phone number, any email. No forms or signatures are required for this type of update, and we can do it all in-house and with ease.
And I'll take that one step further too, Sonja. You brought up a good point. Just making sure everything's up to date. That can even include, if you had to cancel a credit card or debit card and you do have something set up on auto pay, that's a beauty, once again, of what we do in forming your financial blueprint is keeping up with all those items in one place. I think it's really important to kind of come over that. And I know it's only mid-year, but we like to go over these things, be proactive, and it gives our clients and others a very proactive approach before the end of the year arrives. I hope this was helpful, and everybody have a good day.